In this ClickFunnels tutorial, I will show you how to sell access to specific modules of your course from the course area in ClickFunnels. When your student views the course outline and does not have access to a module, the module title will appear as a clickable link that will open a checkout page, allowing the user to purchase access to the module directly. One thing before we continue, if you don't have your ClickFunnels account yet, use the link in the description of this video to start your extended 30-day trial instead of a regular 14-day trial and receive our ClickFunnels course and a pre-built course/membership area that you can import into your account as a bonus. Now let's see how to set everything up. First, go to your course and add a new module. I click Add Content, Add New Module, add a title for your module. The description and the module image are optional, and then click Create Module. I also will quickly add one lesson to the module so it's not empty. Click Add Lesson and click Create Lesson. There are a few things to keep in mind. The upsell link for a module will only be visible in the sidebar when all of the following conditions are met. First, the module should be published. Draft or scheduled modules are never shown. That's why we need to publish the lesson and the module that we have just created. And I also changed the status for the module, and I need to select Publish here. The second condition, the module cannot be dripped. Drip delayed modules are hidden unless the user is enrolled and the delay has passed. And you also cannot use the lock for the module because locked modules only appear once the required content is completed. So I publish the module here, publish now, and I don't want to enroll any students. And the last condition, the user should not be enrolled into the module. Upsell links appear only for modules the user does not already has access to. Before we change the settings of the module and make it a paid module, we first need to prepare our order form, so the page where you want to sell access to this module, and a product. Go to the product section, all products, and then either select the product that you want to use, an existing product, or create a new product. If you don't know how to create products in ClickFunnels yet, watch the tutorial by clicking on the card up here. That will walk you through the whole process step by step. I will use one of the products that I already have. To open the settings of the product, click on the name of the product. Then scroll to the Purchase Actions section. Click plus next to Course Access. Then click this icon to expand all the modules that we have in the course and select the module for which you want to charge extra. Then click Save. This action means that whenever somebody buys this product, they will automatically get access to this specific module in the course. The next step is to connect this product to an order form. Go to the funnel with an order form. You need to add a checkout element to your page, and we need to connect the product. Click this icon with 3 dots and then click Add Products. Add Product. And then select the product that we have just created or adjusted. With that, we connected this product to this order form. And now your customers can buy this product and unlock access to this specific module in the course. And last but not least, we need to add the URL to this order form in the course settings. So hover over the area here and you will see this icon appear and copy the link to the order form. Then go back to your course, click this icon with 3 dots, click Edit Module, go to the Upgrade Offer section and paste the URL to the order form in the Upgrade URL field. Click Update Module. And before we test everything and see how it will look for your customers, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to not miss our future tutorials. To test everything, I will unlock access to the course, except for the paid content module, to my contact. To do that, I go to the Customers, Contacts, then select my contact and click on the name. Then go to the Enrollments tab, click Add Enrollment. I expand the course here to see all the modules, and I only select the modules that are available without an extra payment. and then click Save. I received an email notification about the enrollment into the course, and I need to click this link to create my account and get access to the course. On this page, I would need to create an account, and then I would be able to log in and get access to the Customer Center, which also includes the course. Once I get access to the course, I see the modules that were unlocked for me, and I also see the paid content module, and the lesson in this module is not available to me because it's locked. And by clicking on the text here, which is a link, or this icon, I will be redirected to the order form that we created, which offers me to buy the product that will unlock access to this module. By the way, if during testing you don't see this module, you should go back to the course and make sure that all the conditions were met and that your module and the lessons that you added to the module are published. That's all you need to do to create an upgrade course module in ClickFunnels. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to not miss our future tutorials.